part of the game. It's a rich thing.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Welcome back to the channel. So yesterday I posted a video of my interview experience for Microsoft, but I have taken that down because of some internal policies. It was against some internal policies and I am not allowed to share that. But don't worry, if things become clear, I will definitely repost that. If not, I'll definitely post some amazing content. Some amazing content is actually coming up because my examinations are over now. Today we are going to see a wonderful tutorial in Python where you can print colorful console output, and we are going to see it in a bit. Before that, I just wanted to ask you something like, are you guys interested in contributing to open source? Because I am thinking to start an open source project before I'll join a company or something like that. There is a bit of gap is there, so I thought with my friends and I wanted to start an open source project. If you want to contribute, then if you are interested in contributing, then let me know in the comment section. I'll be posting the content more frequently now, with respect to opportunities video or tutorial video or interview experiences video or some informative video as well. I'll be posting them more frequently. So if you're new to the channel, do make sure to hit the like button on all the videos and do make sure to hit the subscribe button as well. Let's get started with our tutorial today. Let's jump onto our computer screen. So I'm using PyCharm IDE. First of all, like always, we have to install a particular library. Let me zoom in a bit. That is pip install Colorama. So I've already installed it, so it might not take any time at my end, but it will take a few seconds at your end if you install it for the first time. Let me pull in my glasses as well. So the requirement is already satisfied. Let me close this. So now let's get started. So what we have seen is in command prompt. Let me open that and I'll show you. So in command prompt we have a feature to add colors to our input, to our output basically, or to the console window. Using this you can do it from here. But the problem is you can set only a single color to the background or to a text for a particular output. You have to close it again and open it again for a new design, a new color or new text, text color or background color. But in Python you can do it, for each and every word you can use a single or different color, right, using this library. So first of all, we'll import the library Colorama, and we'll also import some of the functions of that class. Import, that is background, that is foreground, and there is also a function called style which is used for styling. So the colors available in this particular module Colorama are very less, actually very less. It's less than 20 actually, but it's good enough to to provide some colorful output on your console window. First of all, we'll initiate the Colorama to get access over our console window. There is some other parameters as well we'll be including in the later part to make you understand. So first of all, let me comment that out and see how the output is being printed on our console window right now. Let me zoom in a bit so that you guys can see. Yeah, I hope this is much better now. So let's print savage programmer, and if I'll run this file, the output is printed. The output is printed like this, savage programmer in black color. Now if I'll do it like this, 4 dot. So these are the color available in this Colorama palette: red, light blue, and all other stuff. So there are very less amount of colors out here. So I'll choose a red maybe. Yeah, let's choose red. And plus this. And let's check this pack as well. Okay, let's print it. So now you see, if I'll zoom in a bit, savage programmer is written, but the background is that, so it's not visible. So let's do it like green. Yeah, it may be visible now. Yes, now it's visible. So the thing is, first of all, you printed savage programmers with red color. This 4 means foreground color will be in red, and then the background will be green when I printed it for the next time. But you see, the color remains the same. The red color stayed basically. But if I'll do it like this, if I add a parameter auto reset equals to true, then what happens is after printing each and every line, the color will be resetted to the original color, that is black. If I'll print it again, you see, initially it was red, then it resetted back to black color and the background was green. So I hope you got the idea. Now we'll print how we can, print each and every word with a different background and with a different color. So we'll do it like this. So let's create a string basically. First of all, text maybe, and it's a format string, and there we'll add 4 dot. So how the WebGL looks like is web, that is violet color. So we'll take magenta for that, and we'll print the letter V, and then in the similar fashion we'll do it for the other letters as well. Web cure. Second word is indigo, so we'll take it like maybe blue, and yeah, we'll keep it I. Then we have blue, so we'll take light blue since we have a shortage of colors. And blue, green. Then orange. So we have, created the string for foreground. Let's call it foreground, and then let's copy that and text back. Let me replace everything with, let me replace every 4 with back. So these are some of the capabilities that the IDE provides, so do use them. 4 back. So this is done, and also let me run it now. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it has not been printed. We have not printed it actually, we have just created the string. So let's print text 4, and let's print text back. Let's run it again. So you see, we have our outputs with us. This looks good, no? It looks beautiful. So this is how you can use it. There is another feature, that is style, which can be used to, let me show it to you, to give it a bit of style, like bright, or there is, right now it is showing it in normal text. So let's do it, print, and let's copy this thing. So if I'll do it like this, for blue, magenta, not magenta but blue, and then we write our name, Savage Programmer, and let me add the styling as well over here. That is style dot bright. Style dot, what options? Oh, sorry. Style dot, we have bright. So let's print it. Let's see the output, what it's giving. So you see, the bright looks like this. It's something like that. Let me do it normal to show you the difference. Right now it's looking like this. Let me rerun that, and you see, it was kind of bold, or kind of bold when the style was bright. Now if I'll do it like dim, I don't know if you're able to capture the difference. Even I am not able to, but there is definitely a difference between the normal and the bright mode. Let's switch it to, so yeah, you see. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Although it's a small tutorial, you can make your console outputs beautiful if you are working on a project that involves this console output thing. And if you want me to build do a tutorial how to build a CLI tool in Python, then do let me know in the comment section. I can do that, and then we can integrate this thing with that CLI tool, and this is how we can build a good project actually. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Do share it with your friends, and make sure to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button as well. So let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.